Do you need a reliable roll-off dumpster rental in Bloomfield, Indiana? Look no further than MK Rolloffs. Whether you're renovating a small home, constructing a large project, or cleaning up a community, we've got the perfect dumpster to meet your needs. MK Rolloffs offers various roll-off dumpster sizes to handle any project. Our roll-off dumpster rental in Bloomfield, Indiana, provides a convenient and cost-effective solution for waste disposal. It is delivered to your site and picked up when you're done. With our dependable service and competitive pricing, managing waste has never been simpler. Our team is dedicated to making your rental experience as seamless as possible. From helping you choose the right dumpster size to providing timely delivery and pickup, MK Rolloffs is committed to excellent service. You can trust us to keep your project running smoothly without delays or unexpected costs. For dependable and affordable roll-off dumpster rental in Bloomfield, Indiana, choose MK Rolloffs. Call 812-798-7308 or visit www.mkrollofts.com to reserve your dumpster today. With MK Rolloffs, waste management is easy, efficient, and worry-free.